Hello and welcome to this new video in the SQL section. In this video, we will see how to install a sample database from Microsoft named as AdventureWorks dataset. This is a very popular one which has been used for several years now, and we continue to do so. Let's see how to download and install this. So go to your browser and search for AdventureWorks dataset. Click on the very first link from Microsoft and scroll down. Here you have different types like OLTP data warehouse lightweight. We'll go with data warehouse, the first one, 2025, the latest one. So it will download a small backup file, hardly like 24 MB. And then below there is a restore process which you can follow either by SSMS or by using SQL query. We'll use the interface, which is far much more easier. What we need to do is we need to go to this path where we have installed the SQL Server. So first go to the downloads, copy or cut this back file. So it is C drive, program files, Microsoft SQL Server, the latest one, MS SQL, backup, and paste this here. Now you launch your SSMS. If it is already there, right click on database, restore database, click on device, click on the dots or ellipses, add. It will directly take you to that backup file path. Click OK. Click OK. And that's it. That's how easy it was. Now you will see that database, expand the tables folder. Several tables have been created. Right click on any one of them, select top 1000 rows, and you should see the data. Yep. So similarly, verify a couple of more tables to ensure that your restoration of database has been done and all the tables are populating with the data rightly. And you can try out with other tables also. There is an alternative way also which I had recorded earlier, but this one is far much more easier rather than using the scripting process. So let's use this one and continue with this. That's it in this video. See you in the next one.